Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a watch-only wallet on Ace. Ace Wallet currently doesn't support creation of Ace-only wallets. A watch-only wallet allows you to monitor transaction and balance of a cryptocurrency address without having a private key or the liability to send transaction from the address. If you need a watch-only feature, you can use other wallet services that provides this functionality, which is Block Explorer. You can monitor any cryptocurrency address by using Block Explorer. You can also use Exodus Wallet, which supports watch-only address for certain cryptocurrency. For Bitcoin, you can use Electrum Wallet, which allows setup watch-only wallets by importing public keys. Trust Wallet also supports watch-only wallet for various cryptocurrency. You can import a public address to monitor its activity. Though Ace Wallet doesn't support watch-only functionality, you can still import wallet address or use a secondary address for monitoring purpose by copying the public key from the original wallet into the service mentioned above. Ace Wallet focuses on providing secure and private wallet management, so you will need an alternative wallet to set up watch-only access. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.